Hi, today we are starting this workshop with Jace Beverage, and with me is Mr. Mayur, the founder of the company. Mayur, I'll straight away go to you and ask you what is your expectation from this franchise development workshop that we have for you? Why are you looking at this distribution model, a very modern model to grow the Jace Beverage brand, and what are your expectations from this workshop?
See, basically my business is based on the distribution network only. I'm lagging in building up the network of Jace Beverage. This company is almost 2 years old, but yet I'm not able to expand my business out of Mumbai. I cannot say in Maharashtra. And this is the reason where it comes your role, where I'm expecting to build. Secondly, I've faced a huge gap in getting the documentation done with the distribution, because they put a pressure on us, like RTV wala the major praise, then the placement is the second problem, then the manpower issues are the major issues to control, and these are the complete management, you can say micromanagement part, where I'm expecting that you will help me out in that. And this is the reason I'm here, to build up a full network of distribution.
Yes. In fact, distribution in India has its own challenges. You need to be able to have a very strong strategy, very strong systems, very strong processes to be able to become successful in the distribution space in India. And especially with very large MNC giants and large Indian conglomerates also dotting the space. This has got its own peculiarities. The market has its own challenges. We need to understand those properly. We'll help you create a strong distribution model in India. We'll help you create a very robust system by which you'll be able to grow the business. We'll get into this workshop and take this forward from here. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi, we've just completed the workshop for Jace Beverage. Along with me is Mr. Mayur, the founder of the company. We'll go to him and ask him as to what the feedback of this workshop has been and what has been his key takeaways. Over to you, Mayur.
Yeah, hi. Basically, all my questions, where I came with a lot of questions, how my business will be stable and whatever losses I've faced and how it will be covered, and I'm really satisfied. And 100% I've got my resolutions on the solutions for the micromanagement and the basic business management and the distribution networking. And the suggestions given by Mr. Amit was really very satisfying, and it has given me a different direction of thinking. So I would say I'm almost satisfied of this workshop, and yes, looking forward for the distribution network builder.
Great. So distribution has its own challenges. Building a very effective distribution model in today's day and time, where you have D2C models operating, you have e-commerce playing a major role, you have a lot of other factors that you have to put in place to develop a distribution model, and that's what we've done for Jace Beverage. We're looking forward to rolling out this brand quickly. Stay connected with us for the same. Thank you.